Hello from OGS Mechanics. We have here this Vauxhall Mokka, registration FL65. Problem came in for a noise on the power steering, and power steering being heavy to be turned. What we have noticed on steering operation, the whole mechanism moves and clinks inside. As you can be seen, the mechanism moves up and down. That's due to an internal issue within the mechanism. It also makes a noise, as it can be heard in the steering. This whole mechanism is not serviceable. It's a one complete unit and require replacement. Thank you very much.